It's Sean from Sean's Auto Repairs in Ramsgate again. Today's little project is a black, it's a 55 plate Peugeot 407 with a clutch master fault. Clutch pedals on the floor, not doing anything at all. Let's take a look. Right, here we are in the car, and let's get a bit of light on the subject. One clutch pedal, and oh dear, doesn't do anything at all. If we look up there, you can see the clutch master cylinder up there. Let's get a bit more light on it. There we go. See, that's that unit just up there. If it won't focus. Oh, this phone's useless. Come on, focus, focus. Let's go back a bit further. There we go. See, that's up there, all attached to the pedal. Let's have a look under the front. It's a nice snowy day, as you can see, there's snow everywhere. Lovely stuff. Right, looking down the back of the engine, the master cylinder is just down there under the air conditioning pipe. I don't know whether you can just see it down there. There you go. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. Excuse me, let's shine a bit of light on it. There it is, with the pipe, with the high pressure pipe coming out the side. So basically, you've got that pipe to take off. You've got a fill pipe which is behind the air conditioning pipe, which links up to the master the fluid reservoir there. And then you've got one clip on the inside, and then the whole unit turns. I think it's clockwise, about 40 degrees, 35-40 degrees, and just pops out. So first of all, we make some space, we get these covers off, get that air conditioning pipe out of the way, and go from there. Alright, so far, I don't know if you can see, but if I get my finger down there, see where I'm pointing to there, that's the pipe that comes in from the reservoir. And then that has got a quick fit connector onto the bottom of the master cylinder, which I've disconnected. Then you've got that's your high pressure pipe, which I've disconnected, and then the whole unit has turned, if you can see, about 35 degrees clockwise, so it's facing down now. Then all you've got to do is just jiggle it out the hole. Right, let's zoom out a bit so we can see what we're doing. And that's the kiddie. And that's the way it was sitting in there. And then what you do, you disconnect both the pipes and you turn it about 40 degrees or 35-40 degrees clockwise, and you just pull it out through the body. And that's the clip that clips onto the pedal. So we go and find the new one and stick that in. Right, so here we have the new part. That's the part number on there, all the way from our local Peugeot dealer. (218-274). Lovely, jubbly, look at that. I'll take that out of there. Take that out of there. Then all we have to do is angle it like that, push it through the bulkhead, and then turn it 40 degrees or 45 degrees anti-clockwise, and then connect both our pipes up. Happy days. Right, we're all done. I put all that back together down there, twisted it, it's 40 degrees, clip your 2 pipes back in, and then down there you've got your, where are we, there we are down there, that's your slave cylinder with your bleed nipple on it. So I had to open that, and using the Gunson's, I think it's Gunson's, yeah, the Gunson's easy bleed kit, you lower the tyre pressure down to 10 psi, and that pressurises the fluid reservoir, pumps it all through, and now we're in the car, so you can fit on the pedal. Now we've got a nice clutch pedal again. Lovely jubbly. So I'm just going to give it a few more minutes to give it a bit more of a test, and then I'll take it for a run down the road, and we should all be good. Probably not the most interesting of videos, I must admit. The problem I have is camera work. As you can appreciate, most stuff takes 2 hands, and trying to hold the camera and get it into a tight location is pretty much impossible. So I'm sorry if I just give you the highlights. Any questions, drop us a line. If not, catch you later. Thanks for watching.